Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Before I get started today on this video drawing Piyo Piyo, I wanted to say a very big thank you to you cuties for all the love you gave me on the last video where I asked for your opinion and your comments on what you thought about me being in front of the camera more. And I was just so blown away by all the sweetness that you guys gave me, all the wonderful comments and the just the love that you showed me, and the compliments. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I will definitely try to be more confident in myself thanks to you. And like I said, I have this this big Piyo Piyo here, and last time I told you guys that I was going to look for the baby for you, so that's what really inspired this drawing today, because you guys asked me to draw it after you saw this guy right here. You really wanted me to draw Piyo Piyo for you, so I found him. So you guys ready? Here's little baby Piyo Piyo. Well, actually we called this guy here Piyo, oh my camera, Piyo Piyo, and then this one right here is Mama Piyo Piyo. So as you can tell, Mama Piyo Piyo is really clean and still really soft, right? So there, it's so cute and so soft. The last time I forgot about my mic, and so I pushed really close against it, and sorry for the noise that it caused. I'm going to be more careful this time. So with the little baby Piyo Piyo, it's almost the same but a lot more beat up. And the reason, wait, let me put this guy down. The reason why this little guy right here is so beat up is because obviously he's really loved. We mess around with this one a lot more, so that's why he's just really got some spots here and things are falling apart, but we just love this little guy. And before I go on, I wanted to show you a little surprise underneath this hoodie that's different from this one, I think. So ready? Here we go. Woo! Put this down. So ta-da! Isn't that the cutest thing? He's got the little bow. So I guess it's a girl or a boy. I'm not too sure. Let's just call it baby Piyo Piyo. Just the cutest thing ever, right? Look at this hoodie, and just adorable. And thank you for loving this little guy and the big mama here. So today I was really excited to draw these this cute little duck that wants to be a chicken. And I'm thinking it's just perfect because right now it's spring and Easter is coming up, so you want to draw chickens and ducks, right? So let's get your Sharpie ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this cute little duck, let's first start by drawing the beak of our chicken hoodie. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to start and draw a curve that comes across. So about right here, I'm going to start and go back up. So this is going to be the bottom of the chicken beak. And from there, I'm going to round off the corners a little bit and then connect it with a curve at the top. And then come right back down. And from there, I'm just going to add a curve right towards the bottom all the way across. There. Now we're going to start at this little corner right here. We're going to start to draw the head of our duck. So let's come right here, and I'm basically aiming to draw the usual dumpling shape I give to all my Draw So Cute characters. So the same thing on this side, just nice and wide on the sides. So I'm just going to bring this down more and start to come in. Go all the way, and towards the bottom we're going to connect it, and it's going to be flatter towards the bottom. So about right there, we're going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. And that's the basic shape. Okay, so then from there, well, let's draw the hoodie first so you kind of know what's going on. I'm going to come above the beak, and on this corner, on this side right here, I'm just going to kind of slant a curve. And then I'm going to connect it with a higher curve. So this is kind of for the eyes of our little chicken right here. So then in this area right here, I'm just going to add a little highlight and then shade it in. So same thing on this side. So go right here and connect it with a curve, and then another highlight right here and shade it in. From there, I'm going to draw the comb of our chicken right here, the little red part on top of the head. So right in between the eyes, say about right here, I'm just going to start with a curve. And it's not going to be too big because this is kind of where the hoodie is going to be. So from this curve, I'm going to draw 2 curves to connect it. And then from there, about in this area, I'm going to start the hoodie part, the top. So I'm just going to start to come down on both sides. Imagine this coming through. Create that curve, and we're going to taper it, getting close to this area, and then just tuck it in. So let's start this side first. So it's going to get closer and closer as we come down here. And then I'm going to taper it in right here towards the bottom. There. So same thing over here. So as you get closer to here, it's going to get narrower. And tuck it in. So there, we got our little chicken hoodie in. Now let's bring Piyo Piyo to life. So towards the bottom area right here, I'm going to draw his duck bill. So I'll just start right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a wide curve right across. Then towards the corners right here, I'm going to round it off. Just kind of like drawing an oval and connect it all the way back. And then in the bottom right here, I'm going to add a little curve all the way across. And then we have his bill in. So then now for the eyes. So right on top, we're going to come to the side right here, and we're going to draw a circle. So same thing over here. And you know what? I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. But if you don't want to, you can just add a little highlight here. I think I have enough room, so I'm going to try it. So just 2 small circles for highlights, shade in the top, and lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to shade it in all black and leave a little highlight. But I couldn't resist. Oh, yay, now I have it. Now I have a draw so cute Piyo Piyo. Okay, so above the eye, I'm going to come a little bit higher up. I'm just going to come right here and draw a little curve above each eye. Wait, it's too slanted. Now it looks sad, right? Like, not too slanted. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his cute little body. You know what? I don't know why he looks sad. Does he look sad to you? Let's see if we can make him look happier. I'm going to bring up his smile a little bit more. Maybe I didn't curve his smile enough. I'm going to bring this down. Now I'm going to mess it up. Okay, there, he looks happier. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his body. So I'm going to center it. So about right here and here. And we're going to draw a curve that comes down on both sides. And then in the center right here, I'm just going to give him a collar for his little chicken suit. And I'm going to bring this down more. So I'm going to level it on both sides. So it's now exactly the same on both sides. And a little bit lower. And from there, I'm going to come right next to this line and draw a curve. From there, I'm going to draw another curve, and we're going to start his feet. And another curve, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. There. So same exact thing. Right here, next to this, we're just going to come out, so it's just a little bit more even, just like the other side. One curve, and then another one, and another one. And just like the other side, we're going to go ahead and connect it. So I'm just going to drag a point across and make sure I'm at the same level, but right there. And connect. Okay, so then right in between, we're just going to add a curve. And now for his arms, or his wings. So right here, I'm just going to pop out a curve and back in. So it's a little bit sharper towards the ends. So same exact thing over here. A little bit sharper towards here and back up. And then right here, of course, I'm going to add a little heart to make him my Draw So Cute Piyo Piyo. So there, hope you love how this drawing of Piyo Piyo turned out and it inspired you to draw it too. You can always, after you draw Piyo Piyo, just give him a little setting, put him on some grass, some trees, whatever you can imagine. I think that would just be so cute. And if you can, definitely send me the drawing on Instagram at Draw So Cute by Wendy. I would love to see it. It's just much easier for me to see your art, fan art on Instagram. So definitely do that if you can. And thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later. Bye-bye.